Hey guys, you're here with the Orchid Whisperer. Hey guys, you're here with the Orchid Whisperer. A friend of mine from school said she had some orchid seeds and she wanted me to help her plant them, so I said sure. I didn't know it was going to be such an ordeal, so anyway, we had to start with making a glove box. So here's that process. The first thing I did was gather out the materials I needed. I found most of the stuff just lying around. I had some old PVC pipe, some metal fasteners, and then I did buy some latex gloves and a transparent box. I checked the fitting of the clamps around the PVC pipe, seemed to be good. And then I took a Sharpie marker and traced the outline onto the box. Everything was working just fine. So far, so good. Then I got ready to cut open the hole, and this is where things started to fall apart. I tried with an X-Acto knife and realized that this Tupperware box was made of very brittle plastic. I thought I'd try the jigsaw. That didn't work. Just made a bigger mess. Starting to worry if I was gonna have to buy a new box. I don't show it on camera, but I tried a hot nail. That didn't work either. So I eventually got out the Dremel and was able to open up that hole. The Dremel broke and I had to take it apart and try to fix it. It still broke. It won't be able to change. I can't change the bit. But anyway, it was the bit that I needed, so I put it back together and traced the next hole. This one went way better, and so I guess if I were gonna make another box, I would just go straight to the Dremel. Save yourself some headache and a lot of time. The next step was to put the pipe through the hole and then create an airtight seal. I used a hot glue gun to secure it in place and create that seal. It was at this point when I realized I should have put the gloves on before that last step. I had to call in some reinforcements to help stretch the gloves over the PVC pipe without breaking the seal that I had made with the glue gun. Once they were fastened in place with the metal clamps, I was done. Now we're ready to sow some orchid seeds in a sterile environment. Stay tuned for part 2.